Life is busy, am I right? You've got work and kids and a relationship and a household and activities and just so much to maintain. It can make you feel crazy. Sometimes you're irritable, sometimes you're tired, sometimes you just really don't want to do anything and give up. That's called burnout, and we're here to help. Rose Gold Mama offers practical, relevant advice to help you live a life you love and avoid the burnout. Subscribe for more. Hey, I'm Whitney with Rose Gold Mama, and today we're gonna make a Bourbon Aperol cocktail. Aperol is a drink that folks love in the summertime, and bourbon is one that I love all year round. So why not mix the two? Because it sounds crazy, but trust me, if you try it, you're gonna like it. Here is my empty glass that we are going to fill with some deliciousness. All you need for this Bourbon Aperol cocktail is bourbon, Aperol, and a little bit of bubbles. I definitely recommend using some kind of sparkling wine, one that is not very expensive, because you're really just looking for a tiny bit of effervescence to add to the drink. You don't want to use your fanciest champagne. That is meant for drinking alone with just the great taste. So I also have a garnish here. These are frozen peaches. I like to add frozen fruit to my drinks, especially in the summer. It makes it a little festive, a little bit fun, and helps cut back on the watering down of a drink. So here we have the bourbon, and what you're going to do is really just mix 1 part bourbon. So I'm going to fill this up to the halfway marker, because this is a very large glass, or shot glass. So that's a half, or well, it's 1 part, so up to here. Then I'm going to fill it up halfway, from the halfway point, so a quarter full of Aperol. Boop. There we go. I'm going to add that. And then what I'm not going to measure are the bubbles. I'm just going to add a splash. Look, that's enough. Just a splash. And on top of that, some ice. And then I'm going to stir. So this is a stir drink. I like the shake drinks. The stir drinks are pretty easy to do because you just have to stir. I'll put some frozen peaches on top of that. And there you have it. Your Bourbon Aperol cocktail. Now, I don't know if this drink actually has a name, but it is delicious, so we can just call it a delicious Italy meets Kentucky. And indeed, it is delicious. This is a great one. You did notice, though, it is alcohol, alcohol, and alcohol. So add your ice and then sip slowly. Cheers!